Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Facebook Pixel iOS 14 issues on Shopify. So, since the iOS 14 update, Apple's app tracking transparency, that is ATT's framework, has significantly impacted Facebook Pixel tracking by requiring users to opt into app tracking. This can cause data loss, particularly for Shopify store owners relying on Facebook ads. Follow this guide to fix the Facebook Pixel issues and optimize tracking in a post iOS 14 world. So, step 1 is updating to Facebook's Conversions API. So, Facebook recommends using the Conversions API, that is CAPI, alongside the Pixel for more reliable tracking. Shopify simplifies this integration by logging into Shopify admin, navigating to Sales Channels, then navigating to Facebook. Set up the conversion API there. Under data sharing settings, select maximum data sharing because this automatically enables server-side tracking using the conversions API and complementing pixel tracking. Now, step 2 is verifying your domain on Facebook. So, domain verification is crucial for managing conversions events post iOS 14. You can log into Facebook Business Manager, navigate to Brand Safety, navigate to Domains, then click Add Domains and enter your Shopify's store's domain, for example mystore.com, and add the TXT record provided by Facebook to your Shopify domain settings. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, navigate to domains, then click manage on your domain, then add the TXT record under DNS settings. Once added, return to Facebook and click verify. Now, step 3 is configuring the aggregated event measurement. So iOS 14 limits the event tracking, so you must prioritize your pixel events. Open Facebook Events Manager, select your pixel and go to aggregated event measurement. Now, set the event priorities. Click configure web elements, select your verified domain and set event priorities. Example, purchase, add to cart or view content. Now, drag and reorder the events based on importance for your business goals. Now, step 4 is enabling the advanced matching in Shopify. So, advanced matching collects additional users' data such as email addresses and phone numbers to improve attribution. You can go to Sales Channels, navigate to Facebook in Shopify and enable the advanced matching under data sharing settings and ensure that customer data like emails is being collected at checkout. Since iOS 14 users are harder to track, you can use broader audience targeting to increase the ad reach. You can build lookalike audience from the email lists, purchases, or page engagement. Retarget users who interact with your website or social media via platforms like Google or email campaigns. Now, step 6 is regularly monitoring pixel performance. So, go to Events Manager to review any pixel errors or discrepancies and use the Test Events tool in Facebook Events Manager to ensure key events like Add to Cart, Purchase are being tracked correctly. And by integrating the Facebook Conversions API, verifying your domain, and optimizing event configurations, you can adapt to iOS 14's tracking limitations and maintain accurate data for your Shopify store. Combine these steps with regular monitoring for the best results. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.